Alright, back at this home site in Chester, Virginia. I found a couple things so far, and totally forgot about the video camera. Looks like I found a brass rod, maybe a rod to like maybe a lamp or something like that. I'm not sure. It's pretty long. Stuck it over there by that the hoe head that I found last weekend, but I just found another pretty decent find here. Not sure the metal. It sounded brass. Looks like maybe another pocket watch back or something. Anyway, we'll clean it up and see what it says. Hopefully it says something. Alright, stand by. There it is, cleaned up a little bit. I don't think it's silver. It's giving off a signal on the CTX of a 1210, swiping it directly over the coil. So it's probably some type of brass. Anyway, cool find anyway. $9.29, $8.29. It was looks like it was a daggone brass shell casing, but it didn't look like anyone I've ever seen. It just broke a little bit there. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, cool find. And I'm right up under this big root ball here. Just found a surface find. Some ornate piece that maybe went to a piece of furniture or something. Pretty cool. Alright, just found a cool looking brass find. It's got a little tit right there on it, not sure. Looks like it to be hollow. It may have a design on the front of it. Stand by, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, it does have, appear to have some type of design on the front, and there's the back. It looks like this piece folds over with that, like this one does. Anyway, pretty cool find. I'm right here by these two depressions. There's one right there, and then the other one is right over there. I hunted this area last weekend, and there's tons of signals in here. And I think I need to come back with a smaller coil. There's a lot of iron and stuff in here. Stand by, we'll dig the next one. Alright, just found a pretty cool find. Looks to be like some type of figurine for maybe a dog. Sounded like lead. Missing a couple feet and legs, I think, but kind of mangled up. They're probably cleaned up pretty good. We'll clean it up a little bit. Stand by. Here we go, cleaned up a little bit. about 6 inches down, right beside this cedar tree. Right here. Alright, just found a pretty interesting find. It's brass, and it's like some type of, I don't know, some type of nameplate or something. Anyway, it's brass and it does have some writing on it. I don't want to clean on it too much. We'll take a look at it when we get home, see what it says. Anyway, pretty cool find. I just found another cool find. Just pull out the hole now. Looks to be a pocket watch. I mean a pocket knife. It's broke right there. Anyway, cool find. I'm gonna see if there's more in the hole. Alright, just found something. Not sure what it is. Like I said, got some type of axle going through a little wheel or something. Anyway, pretty cool find. We'll get to the next one. Looks like a coin. Stand by, I'll clean it up a little bit. It's like a 1910 wheat. Alright, stand by.